Today in part 2 of the bathroom remodel, we're putting in a new shower base and naturally the drain is not in the right location, so we're going to have to reframe the floor. The drain that I need to install needs to be right in the dead center of that floor joist. It's an inconvenience, yes, but it's not a huge problem. I'm simply taking the Sawzall after the floor joist, getting it out of the way, and then we're going to use the multi-tool to kind of square everything up a little bit. But we got to make sure we don't go through the floor, which will be the ceiling of the downstairs. Otherwise, you're going to have to get Bill over here to fix the ceiling. Yeah, ask me how I know. And yeah, as you can see, it still looks like I chewed it off with my teeth, but we're going to use the multi-tool, square it up. I'm also being conscious of where my weight is, so I don't put any weight on that center where there's no longer any support. The ceilings on the main floor where I would fall through, that's 9 feet, so that would hurt a little bit. Now I'm going to use the same multi-tool, and I'm going to cut out that P-trap that's in the way so we can start relocating that. The most important thing I do when I'm reframing these floors like this is I over-engineer the hell out of it. I think the average household doesn't have shower parties, but I'm going to make damn sure that you can have a shower party in here if you want. 2x10s, 2x12s, we're also using joint hangers. We're not here to mess around. Get it done and get it done right. Now we're going to do some arts and craft with some primer and cement. Do a dry fit, lay everything out, make sure you got it. You can put a permanent marker on there so you know the orientation. There's a lot of joints. Make sure you take your time. Don't forget one. That'd be a pretty bad day. I've done that too. It is in fact not pleasant. Primer all surface, glue all surface, rotate a quarter of a turn. You can't mess it up. It's super easy. However, it is pretty likely that you're going to make a mess, so make sure you have a drop cloth if you have any finished goods around. Oh, last thing about glue and PVC. You should probably have a window open. This stuff, some of these guys will even be able to smell it through this video. It's pretty potent stuff. Now that I got that out of the way, we got the room cleared out of all the fumes, we can bring in Junior. He's going to help us fix the subfloor. Is it going? Well, can't win them all. I'll trim this one up a little bit. I'll trim this right up. It'll drop right in there. Nobody will ever know that I don't know how to run a skill saw perfectly straight. Shower base is set where we want it. Now let's put up a wall. For that, I got a little help from my other son, Callan. And as you can see, this is also going to be the wall that will have a shower niche in it. Hang in there, Callan. I know that nailer's a little heavy. Hey, look at that. It's starting to look like something in here. Now it's time for a little bit of drywall. Now we can fast forward a few days because I'm dying of pneumonia. And we got the drywall done. We got it taped in mud. And we got the membrane on the floor for the tile. Now, if I can ever get better from this pneumonia, we'll do part 3 where we're going to be tiling. It's going to be fun. So make sure you like and follow. You think you can give me a thumbs up? Nice.